Hi, everybody, and welcome to my replacement Google Pixel 2 XL video. If you're wondering what that is for and why, my amazing friend Henry sold me his Pixel 2 XL, and I used it for a while actually. And recently I've noticed when the volume was up at 75-80% on my desk or whatnot, there was a little bit of distortion in the audio. I couldn't really explain it to a point. I called it staticky or uh, I don't know. Anyways, I talked to Google support through the phone and then on their website, and they had me do a whole bunch of troubleshooting to find out that it wasn't the software being an issue. They went all the way to the point to where I had to format the phone and try listening to audio after that without setting anything up, and it still did it. So hardware, they replaced it, and they did it for free. So I sent mine off. Once they received it, they sent me this refurb replacement. Supposedly, it's not brand new, but I actually pulled it out of the box already, so it's pretty cool. I don't want to give any information away on the serial number or anything, but there you go, Pixel 2 XL, just black, and there's the model number of the device, but not the serial number. And they have some cool pull tabs on there. Like I said, I already opened it a little bit, and then I put it back in. I think this is, yeah, it's all on one. Oh no. Okay, so it's just filler. That's really cool. I'm gonna keep this in case I need to send any devices anywhere. So we can actually, I because I did this, I'm gonna have to do it off cam because I don't want to expose the serial number or IMEI number. All right. Oh, there we go. All right. So front has the Google logo on it, and I have the original box still. Nothing on top, bottom, or side. Just those stickers. So hello again in all different languages. Here is Pixel phone warranty. I actually didn't open it yet. Oh yeah. So the SIM ejection tool and a cool cloth. Unfortunately, as far as I could tell when I opened it, doesn't look like. I was hoping that it was gonna say like Google or have some embossed Google thing on it or Pixel thing. I'm off camera here. Yeah, nothing. It's literally just a cleaning cloth, which is kind of cheesy actually. And then we have the phone itself. So I'm gonna take it out of the case here. It's got wrapped, it's got stickers and everything, so it really makes me feel like it's pretty much a brand new device, which would make me feel so much better. So let me pull it out of here. Nope, I'm not actually sure what that would be for. Maybe just airflow, possibly, because it's designed for the buttons, power, and volume to be there. So it's definitely meant to be facing down. I thought maybe it was supposed to be there, but there's no camera button. So anywho, we'll put that off to the side too. And we'll get to the device. Pull this off. This is the first time I open this, so there we go. And I think that's it. I don't think that there's a screen protector on it. Nope. Okay, so that just comes all the way around. All right. And it looks like they have some form of, I don't know why. I don't know why it would be like that. Like it's covering the G logo, it looks like, but it's not covering the center back, but it's covering the top area. And then, yeah, there's covering the flash, not the camera, because I think it's sapphire. Again, I've never actually. Oh wow, that is on there, but good. Maybe it's the rubbing spots? I don't know. It's probably like a new backing, so the only thing that may be refurbed about it is the inside. Yeah, that looks pretty freaking clean and new. And we'll take this off. Does that pull anything? Nope. Just covering the ring for the flash, which makes sense that it would be covering the flash because it probably doesn't have sapphire covering it. I guess if you watch the jerry rig on the Pixel 2 XL, he probably tested all the different areas to see what would be scratched at what levels. But I know the front doesn't have any protection on it, so it looks like I'm going to have to get another one of those amazing Whitestone glass. I think I can just get the glass replacement because I already have the unit itself. But there you go. I got to do a little cleaning because the sticky goo is kind of gathering dust and stuff. But and then I was able to use the SIM card that I got with my S10, my Samsung S10, because I literally pulled the SD card out of my Note 9 and put it in the S10, so I didn't have to worry about SIM card replacing. So I actually called T-Mobile and had this one switched to the previous Pixel number, because when I sent mine back to Google, I was silly and I forgot to pull the SIM card out. So this card is now active, so I'm just going to pop it in, set it up, and we'll be good to go. But I guess if there's any issues that come up with this device and I have to call and get Google to send me another one, which I'm hoping that I'm not going to, I would put out a review on it and let you guys know and say, hey, I've had this for, weeks, a month, and then now there's an issue. But yeah, so I'm excited to get this in the phone and start using it. I'm probably gonna put my my S10 off to the side for now and use the Pixel now that I have it back. I want to give it a full time of review to use it. I'm wondering if I should wait until I get my new screen protector first, but we'll wait and see. But thank you everybody for watching. Not a super long video. I've already, reviewed this thing. I love the crap out of it. And I'm very happy that Google was easily able to send me a replacement at no cost. That 2-year warranty, the original 1-year warranty that was extended to 2 because of the screen issues that they had, really helped with this. I could have easily have lived with the audio issue that I was listening to. I usually go through AirPods and stuff like that, but it was just nice to be able to know that I got pretty much a brand new replacement unit. So we'll have to wait and see. All right, thanks guys. Like, subscribe, share, and comment below if you have any comments about the Google replacement quality and how fast and nice they were. All right, thanks guys. Bye.